Yes, it is. Say what's up, fellas. I'm famous. Look at that thing.
I'm famous.
That's right. Look at that thing. Tell us what we got here, Zach.
Ford 460.
Okay.
Monster cam.
Okay.
Board 30.
Okay.
Pumping about 550 horsepower.
What that torque? What do you think that torque curve is at?
550 to 600.
Yeah. Pump gas motor, right?
Pump gas 91.
Yes, sir.
Run all day.
I like that.
Got some extra toys.
Nice. Yeah, this'll get me up and down some steep hills, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's going on, big dog? Drew, remember me?
Yeah.
Yeah, right on. I'm excited. So, yeah, man. Yeah. And what's that you delivered in? What is that, a Suburban?
Yeah.
What year? That's cool. I like that. It's all Lord and everything?
Yeah, not much, but...
Oh, for real? They all came pretty much that high off the ground?
No, that's not stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Let me move this real quick.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Drew Phillips here. Check out my daily driver race car. These guys delivered my motor. What motor did you say? Oh, that one. Woo! Look at that thing. Yeah, buddy. What you think, man? You think this thing will do some damage?
All right.
You think so?
I'm excited to hear it when it finally turn it on.
Yeah, right?
That is all manual.
Drew Phillips.
Hey.
Good to meet you, Key.
How you doing?
Thanks for bringing me my power plant. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's fucking huge.
Yeah, I'm excited.
What do you call it?
Power plant.
Were you in the military?
Yeah.
Okay.
10 years. 2 wars.
2 wars.
What branch?
Army.
Nice. I was in the Navy. Real men shit. It's not. I'm not judging you. I'm not judging you.
But yeah, I couldn't do the whole thing of when you get off work, you're still on a boat. I'm good.
Well, that's only if you're out to sea.
Yeah, but aren't they out to sea like 6 months out of the year?
Depending on the duty station. Some do 9. Some do more than 9. So, yeah.
It's even worse.
And then me, I like me who worked on submarines.
Yeah, I love the whole traveling part.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Right on. I like it. Check out some of the other toys in here. Big wheels, rear end, Tremec TKO 600 in this box. What y'all know about that? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right. This is Drew Phillips. I'm out of here. Talk some shit.